Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on a couple of good deals that I saw earlier today. I was on AppMex earlier and I noticed that they had a really good sale on their 2013 10-ounce Kookaburra coin. And it looks just like this, only in 10 ounces. But I noticed they're on sale right now for $217.60, and that's their credit card price. As you can see above that, the normal price on these 2013s are $300. So pretty good deal in my opinion. If you take a look over at the 2017 Kookaburra, they're asking $219.48 right now. The 2016 is currently sold out. The 2015 they're asking $285.31, and the 2014 they're asking $274.90. So $4 over spot for the 2013 is a pretty good deal. I think it's one of their better looking designs. And if not mistaken, Tyler Silver, if you're watching this video, I know you're thinking about getting a 10-ounce Kookaburra, so you might want to check out AppMex and maybe pick one of these up. On a side note, I did notice that JMBullion is now selling the 2-ounce elemental white whale, and I'm sure you guys are probably sick of hearing about the white whale, but I got an email today saying that they're selling them now, and they're selling them for a pretty good price. They're asking $50.70 if you pay by check, and $52.81 if you pay by credit card. Modern Coin Mart, they're asking $63.50, but those aren't available till June 5th. BGASC.com is currently sold out, and Silver Gold Bull is currently sold out. So for those of you still looking for a 2-ounce white whale elemental round, go ahead and check out JMBullion, and you can pick one up for $50 right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a nice day, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.